The classic pellet grill by Pit Boss will revolutionize the way you cook in your own backyard. Smoke, wood fire pizza, convection bake, braise, flame broil, boil, saute, skillet breakfast, grill, deep fry, stir fry, and world-class barbecue. The classic comes standard with heavy-duty wheels, a bottom shelf, a digital control board with a prime button for quick heat recovery, 2 meat probe ports to monitor 2 cuts of meat at the same time, temperature control to dial in your desired cooking temperature, pellet dump to change out pellet flavors, a dome thermometer, porcelain-coated cooking grids, and most importantly, the innovative flame broiler that quickly transforms your Pit Boss from a world-class smoker to a high-temp wood-fired grill. Don't be misled by higher-priced competitors. Pit Boss. Bigger, hotter, heavier, and more versatile than any other grill on the market.